That's right. I am joined by Jennifer Witz. Good to see you. Good to have you back again. Let's talk about what Carl just mentioned. You may not have heard it, but the introduction yesterday of make sure I get everything right here in terms of the rollout of your next generation industry streaming app. What does that actually mean, and what is it going to mean for the company?
So thank you for having me. Yesterday, we did our SiriusXM Next Generation Media and Industry event, and it's more than just an app. We'll have new apps coming out December 14th, but it's also an entirely new tech platform. So it will underpin everything we're doing in marketing and across our products, really with the idea of developing more data-driven personalization, which is going to address the pain points we see with consumers in getting into the content they love in our service. So we have a great, strong business, 34 million subscribers, but to really reach the next generation, it's about helping people find all the great content that we have in a much easier way.
What is it going to mean for me in my car when I'm navigating, for example? How is it going to show itself as being new?
The in-car product obviously is governed by the product cycles of the OEMs, but so first it'll come out in streaming later this year, and then the improvements will roll through 360L, which leverages both the satellite and the IP delivery into the car. And so we'll have things like if you're listening in the car to, say, CNBC, and you get out and you want to continue listening, it'll move seamlessly to your mobile app and then into your connected devices in the home. So those are things that will just enhance the listening experience for our consumers and improve engagement overall, which leads to better retention for our customer base.
What are you seeing when it comes to retention right now?
So right now we have churn at about 1.6%, and the biggest change in the last several months has really been about vehicle-related churn. As the industry starts to come back and new and used car sales, that has an impact on people turning over their vehicles. Otherwise, the involuntary side is still pretty strong, despite sort of different, I guess, opinions about the health of the consumer generally. We still see very strong. What do you think about the health
of the consumer right now? What is your sort of, what are you seeing as in terms of churn?
Yeah.
You mentioned the numbers, but what are your expectations as we head into next year in particular?
That's really the first place we look as a leading indicator is just entry rates on credit card non-pay, and we aren't really seeing any indicators today that there's an issue. But I believe we have such a strong and loyal customer base, and that sort of repeat listening behavior of whether you're commuting or listening in the home or otherwise really keeps our churn at a healthy level.
What is the streaming customer right now? Sort of, what are your expectations there? Obviously, Pandora is a part of that, but overall?
Right now, we're focused on SiriusXM and getting the new set of products out for streaming for SiriusXM, and that benefits both not only just the streaming-only customers, and we expect to see more growth there, but also in-car customers who will have a better streaming experience outside of the car. And then with this new platform, we'll be able to bring Pandora over to the new platform probably later next year. We certainly have the optionality to, at that point, look at whether or not SiriusXM and Pandora should be part of one product.
And what are your expectations when it comes to that? Does that make sense to you when you at least say it?
I think there are elements of it that make a lot of sense. I mean, we've been hesitant to do anything yet because both services have very strong, loyal customer bases. And so we want to make sure if we were to bring the products together that there's something unique that we're offering to consumers and, it makes sense.